see who will win. Is it this one? Pink, the silver one, green, or that blue? Oh, looks like green's out. And you're out, and you're out, and the pink win. Hi everybody, it's me Cialea. But before I start the video and describe the video, we're just gonna, before you do it, you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a big thumbs up and click the bell button. So what we're gonna be doing is a spinner reveal. So let's do it. Okay. First, we're gonna do is the fastest spinner ever. This one. It's so fast to spin, I'll show you. See, it's not stopping. That's how the fast spinner does. It's green and my favorite spinner. I love spinners so much. Here. Look at that. It stops so fast. Because it's kind of so small, so we have to make it like that, and then it will sometimes turn kind of not gonna stop. This one is this pink one. It's my favorite color, but I like it that much. It's like the same thing. It spins very fast, but it stops very fast. As you know, it's my favorite, and it's my first ever one. Next one is another fast one, is the blue one. Look at that! I can also do a trick. Next one is the spinner. It has a dimple spinner. It's called a spinner dimple. And it's like a paper. As you know, it stuck very well, but it's too fast. My brother, I also have another same thing. Look, it's blue and it's the same thing as this one, but it's kind of different because this has dots. And look, it's the different colors. Mine doesn't have any orange, but this does have orange. Next one is this. It spins very fast and it's also a dimple. That's so fun and satisfying. Look, this is the fastest spinner ever. Look, when you spin it, you can see rainbow. Wait, what? Look at that. It's so rainbow. It's so cool. It's so cool. And it's like ultra rare. Look at that, everyone. Okay, let's see who will lose. Let's see who will win. Whoever stops last wins. Oh, green and blue is out. Oh, you're out. Pink wins! I didn't know you would win. The pink one? Wait, what? Win!